What are the benefits of going back to your roots?
Yeah, benefit of going back to your root is so much to it can never be overemphasized. And I can tell you, going back to your root is this because apart from connecting to our roots, we just fade away. Example: if you see a tree, a mango tree, and for any reason, any branch of mango tree decide to detach itself from the main mango, will fade off. So we human being, our ancestors and our spiritual forces are like the taproot, the root, carrying us the branches. And if for any reason we decide not to remain connected to the tree itself, it can never bear fruit. So I will advise you, coming back to your root is not coming to be doing no kid or doing charms. No. Coming back to your root is to discover where you started. You discover the land of your birth, to make peace meant with be at peace with the gods of your land, your ancestors. Knowing fully well that nobody will love you elsewhere more than the gods of your land. Yes, nobody. I used to tell people that nobody will love you more than your root, because the spirits of your ancestors can go to war because of you if you recognize them all. Example: if you are living in a compound where you have small children around, and there are these particular small children that they don't even care, they don't greet you. For any reason, you jam them along the road, maybe where they're having problem with these keke drivers and everything. You can decide to walk away. You know why? Because over time, those children, they don't really greet you. So it happen. But if you see this particular child in the same compound with you, this child used to greet you very well every morning, is very ready to go for an errand for you. If for any reason you ran into that particular guy, this particular boy, having any issues, maybe misunderstanding with keke people, you ask question, what's the problem? And make sure the child is safe. Because the child have already built personal relations with you. But if the child have this attitude, I don't care. Whenever the child is in trouble, you will not come. The same thing is exactly what is happening to you and your ancestors. Because you don't recognize them. Okay, let me ask you a question. Yeah, you that are under the influence of my voice right now. If I know in the next 100 years, me and you will no longer be here. Yes, take it or leave it. Now, in the next 100 years, during this time, you have labored so much for the benefit of your lineage. So, in the next 100 years, you are in the land of the living, the land of the spirits, and maybe one of your great grandchildren came there, and also you are seeing other ancestors, maybe Saint Anthony, Saint Paul, and rest of them that they're on their own side. When their great grandchildren, visited, came to the land of the dead, he saw you, and instead of greeting you, he was busy shouting, Anthony Opadua, Anthony Opada, greeting Saint Anthony, greeting Saint Paul. How would you feel? You will be very disappointed, right? Mhm. The same way you will feel in the land of the dead, that is the same way your ancestors are feeling right now. If I ask you, when was the last time you break cola in honor of your ancestors? Some of you don't even have dates when you celebrate your ancestors. In my own family, every January first day, we do what we call ancestral day. Ancestral day is when we celebrate our ancestors who fought. The place I call my ancestral land today, someone fought for it. Someone ensures that this land was secured, knowing fully well that I will be born one day. Yes, having his great grandchildren. Now, in my OB, we have listed my generation to the fifth generation. On that particular day, we call upon them because they are the sense we know. Because I know nobody will love me. Saint Anthony will love me. Will never love me the way my grandfather did. You know why? Because my DNA, their own DNA runs me. Because I'm onye mara nna ya mara ndị Igbo. So me that you are seeing now is representatives of my ancestors. So they are proud of me because I'm representing them well. But when you neglect them, believe me, you suffer. Some of you don't even recognize them. Some of you don't even call them anything. But let me tell you what will shock you. You that are a father today, he refuses out of your own ignorance to tell their children the importance of celebrating your ancestors. I can tell you, it will not be too long. You will become an ancestor. And your children will not celebrate you. You know why? He did not tell them the importance of celebrating you. After you are buried, everybody goes. Everybody goes home. And that's the end of you. But if you had even you told them the importance of celebrating their ancestors and they have been doing it when you are alive, they will also be celebrating you, calling you a great man, that you tried your best. It might not be Dangote, but you tried your best to secure whatever you have secured now for their own benefit. So what I can tell you is it's very, very important for somebody to recognize his root because he is in a career. Nobody will love you more than your parents. Let me tell you. Any other person can pray for you to be great, but it's only your father that can pray, let my children be greater than me.